Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Natalie. Welcome. So for today's video, as you can see, I will be doing an organizing video of my master bathroom. So right now I'm just showing you all of the bins that I ended up picking up at the Dollar Tree. And I will also be showing you what the drawers and cabinets look like before I organize anything in them. This is something that has been on my to-do list for a very long time. I'm looking forward to the outcome, and I know that it's gonna make me feel so much better once I'm done. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with this door right here. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty in there, and we just have random stuff at the bottom and some Q-tips and then another contact case. So that's what that cabinet looks like right there. The extremely messy one, which is my side. Look at that, you guys. Like I don't even know this ended up being like that, but it's really bad. And then down here I have more stuff in this little container at the bottom. And then I think this is a jewelry organizer that I never even used. And this is a bunch of like first aid stuff that I just put in a bag and stuck under here. And now this is my husband's side, which, as you can see, a bunch of random stuff as well. This drawer I do organize once in a while, but somehow it ends up being into a huge mess again because everything is thrown in here. Things need to be separated into their individual baskets. That way things can actually stay organized, but we're gonna fix that, and yeah. Alright, so my plan to get started with this project is to go section by section. And so I'm going to start off by taking everything out of this cabinet first, which I feel like is the messiest out of everything in this restroom. But I'm going to be sorting things into similar groups. That way it's easier for me to put things together once I'm ready to put it back into the cabinet. But yeah, I'm just going to take out everything and discard of things that are no longer good or expired. Once I'm done taking everything out, I will be wiping the cabinet down before I put anything back in here. So by this point, I finally got everything out of the cabinets, and that was my husband passing by. He had just gotten home from work, and now I'm just going to be wiping the cabinet down and trying to figure out how I'm going to organize in here with the baskets and all that. I think the sizes of the baskets that I had, they were just not working. So I ended up kind of leaving things how they were for that day and ended up going back to Dollar Tree and Marshall's the next day. I ended up going to Marshall's today and picking up some other things. This is like a shelf riser, so I think this is really gonna help me with maximizing space. This was only $3.99, and I ended up getting this little container also. I was thinking that I could use this for my hot tools and my hairbrushes, And if this doesn't work out, I might return it, and instead I'll use this. I'll probably hang this on the door, on my cabinet door, and I'll put my hot tools in this one. $7.99, and this little basket was $5.99. I also went ahead and picked up this what is this called, like a shower bin. These are some of the extra things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree today, and I just want to show you what everything looks like right now. So I have this whole entire bag full of trash. So this is how I ended up leaving the cabinet the day before, but now you will see that I'm going to be taking everything back out again and rearranging things. But first I am testing out the different containers that I have and trying to figure out where would everything fit best.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Moving on to the drawer, I'm just going to be taking everything out as well and just giving it a really good wipe down, because let me tell you, this drawer was pretty disgusting and dirty. But yeah, I'm just going to make sure I wipe it down really good before I put things back in here.
no, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
I just basically like mess around with it, putting in baskets in and out, trying to see what works best. And then once I figure out a good system, that's the way that I leave it. But you will see right now the way that I change things around and then finally find something that I feel like is going to make it stay organized for a long time. After the drawer, I ended up moving to the little cabinet on the wall, and I decided to just put our vitamins and deodorant and contact cases, just things that we use on a daily basis. But now moving on to the other cabinet down here, I'm just going to be doing the same thing over again, taking out everything and cleaning and just testing out the containers, trying to see what works best with the space that I have down here. And then I would just be putting things into different containers and just putting them back into the cabinet. So all of this organizing definitely got me motivated into organizing my jewelry. But now moving on to my makeup brushes, because why not? I'm already here cleaning and organizing, so might as well give my makeup brushes a good wash because they were definitely needed. And I ended up finding this silicone brush cleaner at Marshall's for $4. And this was my first time using it, and I did really like it. I feel like it made a really good job at cleaning my brushes out. So the cleaning solution that I'm using is just parts of water, distilled white vinegar, and dish soap. And all I would do was just keep running the brush through that solution, through the water, until the water would come out clear. That's when I knew the brush was finally clean. Alright, so now doing the last part of this organizing, I'm just securing the shower bin onto the wall with some gel pads that it had on there. And now I'm just wiping everything down and moving things around again and just seeing what works best in here. So next I just wipe down the counters and clean the mirror, and we're finally done with all of the cleaning and organizing in here. I feel so proud of myself and I am happy with the results. But yeah, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Go ahead and like this video if you did. Share it with your friends. Comment down below what was your favorite part about this organizing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.